Hello everyone. Today's our grammar topic is types of nouns. First of all, let's understand what is meant by noun. A noun is a naming word. It is used as a name of a person, place, animal or thing. Even it also name ideas, qualities, feelings and conditions. In short, naming words are called nouns. Nouns are broadly classified into two types: concrete nouns and abstract nouns. What are concrete nouns? Concrete noun is the word that names a thing that can be seen, touched, smelled, heard. We can experience concrete noun with our five senses. And on the other hand, an abstract noun is the word that names a quality, feeling, idea, or condition of someone or something. Abstract noun cannot be touched. An abstract noun is uncountable. They are opposite of concrete noun. They can only be thought of or felt. They cannot be seen or touched. Concrete nouns are of four types: proper noun, common noun, collective noun, and material noun. Let's see all these types of nouns in detail. Let's see about proper nouns. A proper noun is the name of a particular person, place, animal, or thing. They are the name of a particular place, person, or thing. Proper nouns are always written with a capital letter. Proper noun always begins with a capital letter. Let's see the example. Rabindranath Tagore was a famous writer. In this sentence, Rabindranath Tagore is a proper noun as it is the name of a particular person. The next type of noun is common noun. A common noun refers to any person, place, animal or thing in general, in common. It is a name given in common to every person or thing of the same class or kind. Common nouns are either countable or uncountable. Most nouns are countable nouns. They refers to people or thing that you can count. They are called countable. And some nouns are uncountable because they are words for things you cannot count. An uncountable noun is a mass noun. It cannot be written with a number before it. But countable noun has singular or plural forms and they can be written with a number. Let's see some examples of common noun. The soldiers fought with courage. Soldiers, common noun. My father reads Hindustan Times. Father, common noun. Hindustan Times, proper noun because it's the name of a particular newspaper. The teacher organized a competition. Teacher and competition, common noun. We saw tigers at Jim Corbett National Park. Tigers, common noun. And Jim Corbett National Park, it's the name of a particular place, so it's a proper noun. Next type of noun is collective noun. A collective noun is a noun that refers to a group of people, animal or things. They stand for a number of things considered as one. Collective nouns generally take a singular verb. Not always. Generally they take a singular verb. For example, a herd of cattle was rearing on the ground. Herd, it's a collective noun, herd of cattle. Was, singular verb. Here are some examples of collective nouns. A gang of robbers, an army of soldiers, a herd of cattle, a forest of trees, a galaxy of stars. Here, gang, army, herd, forest, galaxy, these words stand for a number of things considered as one. So, they are called collective nouns. They refers to a group of people, animal and things. Collective nouns are usually used as singular nouns. So, here a herd, an army, a gang, because it refers to only one group. But collective nouns can also have plural forms too. But generally, they used as singular nouns. Next type of noun is material noun. A noun that refers to a material or substance from which things are made is called material noun. Example of material nouns are gold, iron, plastic, silk. These are the materials and substance from which many things are made. So they are material nouns. Next type of noun is abstract noun. An abstract noun is the word that names a quality, feeling, idea, or condition of someone or something. They are concepts, emotions. They cannot be touched. Abstract noun can only be thought of or felt. Abstract noun denoting an idea, quality, feeling or state rather than a concrete object. They are uncountable nouns. Let's see some examples of abstract nouns. Goodness and kindness is always rewarded. Goodness and kindness are abstract nouns. Health is better than wealth. Health and wealth are abstract nouns. There is wisdom in old man's advice. Wisdom, an abstract noun. Perseverance and determination won him a great name and fame. Perseverance, determination, name, fame. These are the abstract nouns. Now take some examples for practice. Pick out the nouns and state its kind. Here are some examples from which you have to pick out the nouns from each sentence and state its kind. First example, lead is a heavy metal. Number 2, Rishi is a sincere child. Number 3, the jury has given its verdict. Number 4, he gave me a bouquet of flowers. Number 5, Shakespeare was a famous writer. So, what do we learn from today's video? What is meant by noun? Types of nouns and the examples. So, I hope you understand everything very well. Thank you.